Yo, click the bell icon after you subscribed. Come on, I'm watching you. Still here, subscribe to my channel. One small potato or a medium potato per person, boiled and peeled. Chili, green chili preferable. One small diced onion. Grated ginger, fresh grated ginger, not paste or powder. Spinach, which should be ready to eat, not the ones you have to cook. Fresh coriander. Vegetable oil. Roasted cumin seeds. Chaat masala. Turmeric powder. Red chili powder, salt, red chili flakes, and flour. The flour should be used for making the dough. So if you already have a dough, you don't need this. But if you don't have a dough, make sure you have fresh water in hand to make the dough later. Before you will need the potato. You need to mash the potato up if you haven't already did it. Then start by adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of salt. As per taste, you can add more or less depending on however you like, and that goes for all the other powdered ingredients that we will be using apart from flour. 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 2 teaspoons of roasted cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. This is just to add a little tanginess, so be aware of how much you add. 3 tablespoons of fresh chopped spinach. You can add more if you want, it depends on you. 3 tablespoons of fresh chopped coriander. Again, it depends on how much you want to add. You can add more or you can add less, totally depends on you. 1 small diced onion. You can add more onions as well. Now these ingredients, apart from the potato, you can add as much as you want. And then 2 tablespoons of chopped green chili. Now if you are someone who can't take a lot of spice, add a little less, but if you are, then add more. Totally depends on you. And then you have to mix it all up. Preferably you can mix it with a fork, but if you don't feel comfortable by doing that, you can also use your hands. It depends on different people. You should do whatever that suits you the best. Then once you've mixed everything up, shape them into a very small bowl so it can fit in your chapatis that you will roll later. Now this part you miss if you already have a dough, but if you don't, then get a cup of flour and add water slowly and start kneading the dough. I will soon put a video, if you would like me to, about how to make a perfect dough. It is very simple and very easy. To get a very small amount of the dough, dip it into the flour so it's not sticky and shape it into a little circle. Place the stuffing in it and form a little pocket. Close the pocket and then start kneading it with a rolling pin. Rolling it with a rolling pin. Keep rolling it, and if it gets sticky, just add a bit of flour and carry on until you form a very round circle or whatever shape you can. If you're new at this, don't be annoyed if you can't make it into the perfect shape. It is very hard, but you will get there. Once you have reached the desired shape, turn on the hob into a medium flame and place the frying pan or the skillet on top of the stove. Put the chapati on the pan, or as you can call it, the tawa, and heat it. After just under a minute, flip the roti to the other side and then add just a little bit of oil or ghee, otherwise known as clarified butter, depending on you. Keep flipping it after every minute or just under a minute, and once it's nicely done and you like the color, just slowly cook it for a little bit on the low flame and then place it onto any plate. Then all you have to do is enjoy. This is a very easy recipe and even a beginner can do this. So you can too. Thank you so much for watching this video. My last video is on the left side, so click that and watch it as well. Subscribe to my channel, like if you like the video, and comment down below if you Make this recipe and it really suits you, do let me know and I will make any other videos that you like. Have a nice day.